Scott Bauer, the CEO of Prosper Trading Academy, joins me now for our final trade of the day. But Scott, before we get to that, I want to talk about this market action because on Thursday, the trading floor was really active.
It really was. It was pretty loud down here.
What's going on?
Well, you know, we finally broke out of that range that we have been in for so long, that 2,800 on the bottom, 2,950 on the top in the S&Ps. Seems like we've been there forever and finally just broke out above the upside. So that in and of itself was a signal, maybe not that we're going to 3,000 or higher, but it brought in a lot of trading volume.
That is interesting. Let's take a look at your trade of the day because it's the VIX,
yes,
which is moving in correlation with the market.
Yes, or opposite of the market,
exactly,
as it ordinarily does. And to me, looking at the range that we just broke out of doesn't mean that volatility is over. There's still so much ahead of us, so much risk headline to this marketplace, from Brexit, from the U.S.-China tariff negotiations, which now there's a date supposedly in October, but we know that can change at any moment. And we've got the Fed coming up still. So I'm actually going out a few weeks here, Angie, and I'm looking at the September 25th expiration, which is post-Fed. And with the big drop that we've seen in VIX, I'm just buying some really cheap upside in the VIX, and I'm looking to buy the 2025 call spread for about 50 cents. That doesn't necessarily mean that I think VIX is going up back to the 20 handle or plus. I just think it's going up from here, and that is a very cheap, inexpensive way to play this, to look for a pop there.
Right. 2025 sounds high to me, and that's an indication that you think that the stock market could go lower?
Absolutely. And the reason I'm saying that is, again, not because I'm expecting any sort of major sell-off or anything, but with everything that is right in front of us from a risk headline standpoint, all it takes is one headline, one tweet, and we've seen this market move in a 2-3% range. So I think this is a very inexpensive way. My risk is completely capped out here, right? I can't lose more than 50 cents. And if we do get a pop in the VIX, which would mean maybe a potential sell-off in the market, even very, very short-lived, I'm going to do real well with this.
I hope so for you. Thanks so much and our viewers who are watching. Thanks so much for being on our show. For more Business First AM, check us out on social media. We're on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.